regarding the MCCL. As you're aware, the MCCL has been facing huge financial burden. In the last 6 months to 8 months, at the Chief Minister's level, I have been engaging with a large number of stakeholders of the MCCL, including the employees, the management, the landowners, the owners of the mines, so on and so forth, including the local representatives also. At my level, officially I must have met them 3 times, but unofficially I have met them more than 6 to 7 times. The discussion on MCCL has been as follows. Because of the huge financial requirement and the burden that MCCL is in right now, and the fact that most of the production is not taking place, there was a need to take a decision to how to repair things and move forward. We discussed about the option of the state government investing, which is coming to the tune of 190 crores. The second option, which we had in hand, was to see if we can find a joint venture partner to come in and invest in MCCL. And the third option was to close down MCCL. So the proposal was brought in front of the Cabinet today by the Industries Department to see ways and means in which MCCL can be retrieved. Therefore, keeping in mind the financial constraints that are there on the state and the inability of the state to invest 190 crores at this point in time, it was suggested that a joint venture route be taken. So with that proposal, the Cabinet today has cleared the proposal to initiate the process of having a joint venture for MCCL.